How to change currency in Taobao. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change currency in Taobao. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to Taobao app. Once you're here, make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you need to click on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the profile, you need to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on the longest word right over here. Once you do that, you can see the USD sign over here. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. This is the currency option, and from here you can simply go ahead and change the currency if you want. Here I will change it to KRW, and once you do that, you need to tap on the orange option located on the bottom of your screen. And as you can see that you have successfully changed currency in Taobao. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.